Hello, what's happening everybody? This is my follow-up tutorial of my previous video, which was about getting a free SSL for your WordPress website by using CloudFlare. This is Shravan from behalf of Techulk Dotcom, so let's get into it.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.
So the problem with the website is it's showing HTTPS in the URL address bar, but it is not showing the secure padlock sign. Even if I click the little circle icon over here, it will show that your connection is not fully protected. Even though all the other pages is showing the secure padlock sign, the issue seems to be with the home page itself. So to fix this problem, we are going to visit this website called as whyknopadlock.com and just copy the URL of your website and paste it in the secure address field and hit I'm not a robot check and hit test page. It will take a while to process, just wait for it. Now the test results will be shown like this. Everything should be check mark in green, and only protocols issue is there and one soft failure is which means that many of the content have only HTTP, not HTTPS, which is a mixed content, we can say. Now to fix the mixed content issue, we are going to install a small plugin on our website. Just log into your dashboard and hit plugins and hit add new and search for this plugin called as SSL Insecure Content Fixer. And before installing, make sure the plugin you're been installing is by WebAware and hit activate. Now the plugin has been activated. Now let's see it has changed anything or not. Let's retest again. Not a robot check. Okay, now hit test again. It will again take quite a second to process, and let's see if we have no mixed content now. Now let's refresh our website to check our website is been loaded with the secure padlock or not, and yeah, it's been fixed. Lots of people were asking me about to fix this problem, so I came up with this little workaround. And if you have any kind of problems regarding this topic, you can comment it down below in the comment section. And if it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.